I have been using the SW Motech DAYPACK tank bag for a couple of years now. There are some features definitely worth having, but it still lacks in capacity for my needs, waterproofing and organization. This is how I salvaged the quick release mechanism and install it in an old tank bag of mine. I removed the quick release plate from the DAYPACK tank bag using an Allen key. Then I used a marker to trace the shape on stainless steel plate I had lying around my workshop from a previous project. As you can see, I used a piece of light cardboard to act as a template to make sure the 4 mounting holes stayed aligned. I proceeded using the template on my metal plate and marked the locations for the holes. Once marked, I punched them in to make sure my drill bit wouldn't wander around when making the holes. The drill press made quick work of those holes. You can also use a handheld drill, of course, but I have it around. With a bit of sandpaper, I cleaned up the metal burrs and made sure everything was nice and smooth. I grabbed my angle grinder to cut out the metal sheet to its final shape and filed the edges with the help of my belt sander. Again, you can do the same with a regular file, but if you have a sander, it's faster. After a quick test run of the mounting bolts, I went to my bike to figure out where exactly I wanted the tank bag the position I wanted to have. I then punched holes in the tank bag fabric before enlarging the holes to the size required for the bolts. Finally, it was only a matter of pushing the Allen bolts through the plate, the tank bag, and to the quick release plate on the other side. SW Motech DAYPACK does have a rain cover because it's not waterproof per definition, but it's quite bulky and there's no way to store it in the bag, right? So this is a big no for me. In this specific bag that I already have, a very small backpacking rain cover, not for motorcycle use overall, it's just a backpack in general, and I can keep it right here in the left pocket to be able to strap it on top without even dismounting the bike. Just stop it on the side of the road if it lashes out real quick. Strap it on top. There's elastic on the bottom, so just nice and tight. Boom. And then when it's over, remove it. And you store it away in the small pack that it was, and you store it back in the pocket. This is the final result. I'm quite happy on how it turned out. Remember to subscribe to my channel and slap a big like to the video if you found it useful.